Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte with CTC, and today I'm excited to share with you about CTC's MH107-3A quick disconnect receptacle designed for use with wireless triaxial sensors. So if you are unfamiliar with CTC's quick disconnect series of products, this is a legacy series of tried and true products designed to enhance repeatability and orient triaxial sensors with ease. So these products are a two-part system: a stud, which is permanently affixed to your machinery, and a sensor receptacle. So the sensor receptacle features a locating notch. This will mate with the locating notch on your stud. These two products will only mate together in one way, and then they will tighten down with an easy quarter turn connection. So our new MH107-3A receptacle features an adjustable orientation quarter 28 stud. So this is designed for use with wireless triaxial sensors that have a quarter 28 tapped mounting hole, including CTC Connect wireless sensors. So you will take your wireless sensor and you will hand tighten it onto the receptacle. Once it is somewhat tightened down, you are able to adjust the orientation of your axes with respect to the locating notch so that they are in the desired positioning. Once I have my desired position, I will take a 3/16 inch hex key and firmly tighten down the sensor to the receptacle. Once my sensor is secure, I am ready to affix it to my mounted stud and begin taking data. Thank you for watching.